Sitaram International School, we create content kids. Hi dears, how are you dears? Yeah, okay dears. Now I tell some animals and birds name. Okay, if I'm saying birds name, you can fly. If I'm saying animals name, you can jump. Okay, shall we start to play? Yeah. Okay, dears. Listen my words. Yeah. Cat. Very good. Superb. Nice. Very good, dears. Crow. Duck. Yeah. Duck. Can you fly? Yeah, super. Then dog. Dog. Okay. Super. Okay. Now I going to tell a superb story. Okay. Do you like stories? Yeah. I think do you like stories? Yeah. Okay, dears. Shall I start? Okay. A small boy lived with their parents. Where did he live? Yeah. His house was in a small village. Okay. His house was in a small village. Okay, dears. In his house around full of farms. As like that our village. Okay. Near farms, pond, pool, some okay, yeah, farms, land, agriculture lands. So yeah, some agriculture lands, etc. Okay, dear. There were a lot of domestic animals like that, goats, ducks, hens, cocks, cows, parrots, cats. These are in this house. Whose house? A small boy's house. Okay. One day, the boy playing with his cat. A cat had so hungry. The cat had so hungry. How did I ask cat to the boy? Yeah. If you ask, okay, dears. If you have hungry, you ask whom? Yeah. We ask to our mummy. I have so hungry. Please, I need some food. Yeah? You asked to your mummy? Yeah. But cat didn't speak, dear. How did it ask? Very good, super. But it asked through making sounds. Very good, dears. It asked making sounds. Okay. How did the cat ask to the boy? Can you guess? Yeah, super. Meow. 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 Continuously, cat makes a sound. Meow. 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 Oh, okay. Can you guess the topic? Yeah. Today we will see sounds of animals. Okay. Cat. What is this, dear? Do you like cat? Yeah. Have a cat in your home? Huh? Yeah. How did it make a noise? Huh? Yeah. Cat says meows. Cat says meows. Ah. Meow. 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 Yeah, this is a cat sound. Okay. What is this, dear? Cow. What is this? Cow. Ah. Did you see cows? Yeah. Ah. All are see the cows in your home and nearby neighbor's home. Okay, dears. Cow says what, dear? What is the sound of cow? Yeah. Moose. The sound of the cow is moose. Cow says moose. How did it make a noise? Moo. Moo. Is it correct? Yeah, superb. What is this, dear? Hen. There are most of the hen in your home. Yeah? Have you hens in your home? Okay, superb, dears. What did hen give us, dears? What hen gives us? Yeah, superb. Eggs. Hen gives us eggs. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. Milk is a very healthy drink. Okay. Cow gives us, hen gives us eggs. Okay. And can you guess hen's sound? Cluck 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 cluck. That is hen sound. Yeah, superb, dear. What is this, dear? This is sheep. What is this? This is sheep. Somewhere here also we have goats in your home, I think. Okay. Goats and sheep also bleats. The sound of sheep and goat is bleats. What dear? Bleats. Yeah, super. Can you guess the goat sound? Ba, 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 ba. What is this? Ba, ba, ba. Nice, dear. Superb. What is this, dear? Bee. Can you see the bee? Yeah. Bees gives us a tasty sweet honey, dear. Yeah. Honey is very tasty and very energy. Okay. Can you eat honeys? Yeah. Did you taste honey? Yeah, super. Okay, dear. What is this bee sound? Bzz, bzz, bzz. What is this? Bzz, bzz. What is this? Bzz. Yeah. What is this, dear? Duck. Duck. A sound of duck is quack, 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 quack. Can you guess this sound? Yeah, this is duck sound. Duck's sound. Okay. Next one. What is this, dear? Rooster. Rooster. Rooster means cock. Cock every early morning at 3 to 4 o'clock. Cock make sound, dear. Did you know the sound? Did you hear the sound? Yeah. I think yeah, this is a cock sound. The name of the cock sound is cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah. What is this? Dog. It's a very... what animal, dear? Did you know the dog? Yeah, dog is a very thankful animal, dear. If you give some foods, it always, where were you coming? It always come back to me, to us, dears. So, dog. Okay. Dog says bow wow. Dog says bow wow 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 wow. Dog says bow wow. Its sound of name is barks. Barks. What is this? Nai kureikum. Yeah. What is this, dear? Can you guess? I won't tell the bird name. Can you tell? Yeah. What color is it? Black color. So, this is a crow. What is this? This is a crow. The crow sound is ka ka. Ka 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 ka. What is this, dear? Crow sound is ka 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 ka. Yeah, super. What is this, dear? This is a pigeon. Did you see pigeon? Where did you see? Somebody have in homes, houses. Most of them. Where did you see? Yeah, in temples. Where did you see? In the temples. Yeah. Pigeon make a sound. Yeah. What is this, dear? This is a frog. What is this? Frog. Can you do frog jump? Can you do frog jump? Yeah, super. Very good, dear. Very good, dear. Frog jumpers. Look. Very nice. Yeah. Frog says, croaks, croaks, croaks. So, croak, 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 croak. Ah. Very good. Frog says, croak, 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 croak. In rainy days, most of the frogs make a noise. Did you hear the sound? Can you guess the frog sound? Yeah, this is a frog sound. Then, what is this? Wow, this is a snake. Yeah. Can you guess this sound? Yeah, I have seen very feared here. Yeah, because snakes. Why are you all are feared? See this snake, dear. Very good. Correct. It beats me. Yeah. Suddenly it beats me. A person died, dear. So, snake sound is, can you guess? Snake sound is hiss, hiss. What is this, dear? I think you didn't see this animal. I think you didn't. You only see this animal in the TV. Can you see the zoos? Yeah, but it make noise. Ooh. What is the animal? Fox sound? Ooh. Fox sound name is howls. ஊளையிடும் நரி ஊளையிடும். So fox howls. Lion. This is a domestic animal or wild animal? Yeah, very good. Super, dear. This is a wild animal, dears. These are in the forest. Lions are in the forest. Yeah. It had more hungry. It roars. Roars means கர்ஜிக்கும். சிங்கம் கர்ஜிக்கும். Yeah. Did you see the lion? No. Yeah. All are see the lion in the forest. Some zoos. Yeah. Okay, dear. Animal. Lion roast, dear. How is it roast, dear? I can't do. Can you do? Yeah, this is sound of lion. Okay, monkey. Can you see the monkey? Yeah. Monkey do the somewhat was very fun, dear. It makes me very fun. This is a very funny animal, dear. Oh, monkey chatters. Monkey chatters. Yeah. Can you guess the monkey chatters? Can you guess the sound? Yeah. I think this is a monkey sound. Is it correct? Yeah. Horse. Horse runs very fast here. Ah, did you see the horse? Yeah. Where did you see? Yeah. Uh-huh. Most of the place, all are see the horses. Horse make the sound neighs. Neighs. Uh, can you guess the horse sound? How, how did horse make the sound, dear? I can't do, dear. Okay. Next one. Elephant trumpets. What is this? Elephant is a very small animal or big animal, dear. It is very big, dear. Yeah. Did you see the elephants? Where did you see it, dear? In temples. Yeah, correct. Super, dears. In temple. Sometimes, did you see the roads? Okay, dear. Elephant. Can you guess the elephant trumpets? Yeah, யானை பிளிரும். யானை பிளிரும். Okay, dears. Can you guess the elephant sound? Pow! Pow! Is it correct? Is it correct? Yeah, this is elephant sound. What is this, dear? Pigs. Yeah, it is very naughty animal. Yeah, this is a pig. Pig grunts. Pig grunts. What sound is a sound of pig sound is? Grunts, dear. Whine. 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 The sound of pig is whine. 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 What is this, dear? Did you see the donkey? Where did you see? Nowadays we cannot see the donkeys, dear. In my childhood days, I saw most of the donkeys. But nowadays, I did not see the donkeys, dear. Donkey brace. Donkey brace. Yeah. கழுதை கணைக்கும். குதிரை கணைக்கும். கழுதையும் என்ன செய்யும்? Brace. Donkey means கழுதை. This is a donkey sound. Okay, dears. Now I ask some questions. Can you tell the animal's name. Okay? Meow. Meow. Yeah, super. Very good. This is cat sound. What is this? This is a cat sound. Then I ask some question. Okay. Quack, 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 quack. What is this, dear? Is it bad or animal? Yeah, super. This is one of the bird. What is the name of the bird? Yeah, duck. What is the name of the bird? Duck. Very good. Super, dear. And then I ask another question. Yeah. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. What, dear? Can you tell? Very good. Dog? Dog sound. This is dog sound. The sound of dog is? The sound name. What is the sound name? Barks. Yeah. நாய் குரைக்கும். So, the name of the sound is barks. Barks. Okay. And then bear. 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 What, yeah? Very good. This is goat sound. What, yeah? This is a goat sound. Okay. Can you understand this lesson? Yeah. Okay, dears. You go to your home. Nowadays all are in the home only. In your home. Okay? Okay, dears. All are. Can you listen the sounds of animals? Like the cow, then cat, dog. These are domestic animals, dear. So we have to easy to listen their sounds. Okay? Okay. Thank you, dears. Shall we meet the next class? Bye bye.